Starting a first business involves a series of complex and strategic steps. Below I provide more in-depth information on some of the aspects involved in starting a business. First step: explanation of business idea and concept. Determine the business name. Where the business name is your identity business, choose a name that is clear, concise and easily recognizable. Do not forget to create a business background or explain about your business. Identify unmet market needs or business opportunities. Consider personal, the second step of market research, and competitive analysis. Explanation: market research is the process of analyzing the marketing potential of a new product or service. Market research involves several steps, such as problem formulation, determining research objectives, data collection, data processing. Competitive analysis is the process of gathering information about competitors in the market, including the products or services offered by competitors, the marketing strategies they employ, strengths and weaknesses, and their influence on consumer behavior. Interpret behavioral research results. Conduct market research to understand target customers, market trends and size. Identify competitors and analyze strengths and weaknesses. Use research data to identify unique opportunities and differentiation. Step 3: explanation of comprehensive business plan. Comprehensive business plan is a written document that details the strategic objectives and operational plans of a business. This business plan covers various important aspects that affect the success of a business, such as business objectives, market analysis, marketing strategy, competitive analysis, financial plan, and many more. Create a business plan that includes vision, mission, and business objectives. Describe your product or service revenue model and marketing strategy. Includes financial projection. Step for legality and license. Explanation: legality and licensing are two important aspects to consider when starting a business. Legality indicates that the business is legally recognized, while licensing shows that the government has given permission to the business and gives permission to operate before starting a business. It is important to understand and follow the legality and licensing steps required to maintain sustainability and legal policies. Determine the legal structure of your business. Individual limited liability companies obtain necessary permits and licenses in accordance with local regulations, and industry ensures compliance with tax laws and other business requirements. Step 5: explanation of funding and finance. Funding and finance are two important aspects of running a business. Funding is how to obtain the necessary funds, both as the main capital and additional funds, to work on a program or portfolio project allocated to the running of the company's organization, or while the project finance is the management of the company's funds and assets to achieve business objectives. Determine funding needs to start and run the business. Consider funding options such as venture capital loans or private funding. Build realistic financial projections to assess the financial health of the business. Step 6: branding and marketing. Explanation: branding is the process of creating a unique image or identity for a product or company. Marketing, on the other hand, is a set of activities aimed at promoting the sale and distribution of products or services to consumers. Develop a brand identity that reflects your business values. Envision, design a marketing strategy that includes brand positioning, digital marketing, and advertising. Step 7: product or service development. Explanation: product or service development is the process of creating new products or services, or improving existing products or services to meet unmet customer needs. In product or service development, several common stages, including market research, testing, and evaluation. Product or service development, marketing. Product or service, post-product development, design and develop your product or service with a focus on excellence and innovation. Consider trials or prototypes of products. Before launch, remain open to customer feedback for improvement. 8-step explanation of technology and operational infrastructure technology. And operational infrastructure are critical elements in business development and education. Technology and operation involves the skills and resources required to support business or education operations, as well as support day-to-day activities. The following are some of the components of technology and operational infrastructure: computer hardware platforms, operating system platform, data management software platform, and storage communication network information technology. Define the technology needs for your business operations. Implement efficient information systems and operational processes. Consider automation to increase productivity. Step 9: Team and Human Resource Management explanation. Human Resource Management (HRM) is the process of managing, organizing, and using an organization's human resources, such as employees, to produce desired results. The HRM team is a team that plays an important role in the organization to manage the human resources that this team is responsible for, completing various tasks such as planning the implementation of recruitment, training, and development. HRM team work closely with managers and staff across multiple divisions to ensure success and high performance. Human resources recruit a team with the right skills and share your business vision. Build a positive and inclusive company culture. Implement effective human resource management practices. Step 10: Launch and initial marketing brief. A launch is the process of introducing a new product or service to the market that involves a series of activities aimed at building a strong image of awareness and reputation in the minds of customers. A consumer launch may also involve marketing, promotion, and distribution strategies of the product or service to the intended market. The main purpose of a launch is to introduce the product or service to consumers and build interest and desire to buy. Pre-marketing are the steps taken to find potential customers and generate sales of your product or service. Involves market research, product or service development, quality testing, and marketing of the product or service. The main objective of pre-market is to increase sales of the product or service, expand market share, and build relationships with consumers in a business context. Launch and pre-marketing are key stages in introducing a new product or service to the market and ensuring that it is well received by consumers. It involves planning and executing an effective marketing strategy to ensure the success of the product or service in the market plan. A campaign launch that includes events and social media promotions using early marketing strategies to build customer awareness and interest. Monitoring customer response and implementing necessary changes. Step 11: Evaluation and adjustment explanation. Evaluation is the process of assessing or judging the value of the quality or results of a program, project, or product. Evaluation helping to determine the extent to which objectives have been achieved. Evaluating effectiveness and providing feedback for improvement. Evaluations can also be used to communicate key information from the evaluation to a wide audience, such as practitioners, policymakers, funders, or the general public. This can be presented in various formats, such as a report, presentation, or summary document. This often provides a summary of the evaluation, key findings and conclusions, as well as potential recommendations for future action. Evaluation is critical in relation to implementation. Conduct periodic evaluations of business performance based on what has been established. Receive customer feedback and implement necessary improvements or adjustments, considering expansion or diversification. If adjustments are needed, refers to actions taken based on the evaluation results to refine the improvement program or changes to the project or product. Involves adjusting tactics, strategies, or product features based on the findings of the step. Evaluation of sustainable growth and explanatory evaluation. Innovation is the process of assessing or judging the value of the quality or results of a program, project, or product evaluation helps in determining the extent to which objectives have been achieved.